Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? I'm sorry for late video, my friends, but Vechain is starting moving up, so therefore a lot of holders tell me to please tell us about the in upcoming time to they going up like a rocket or they fails down. So absolutely, my friends, the Vechain is starting moving up, so therefore I make this video, my friend, for all of you to I give you this good news through Vechain starting moving up. And today we do a prediction, my friend, just on the last one in the last 7 days, my friend, last 1 week. So let's get start the prediction, my friend. But before I get start this video, I request to my brother to, if you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button, my friend. Just complete my 10,000 subscribe. I hope you just do it, my friend. And then after that, my friend, I do a giveaway of a Vechain. So please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, come to the point, my friend. My friend, this time you can see here at the last 1 hour latest, my friend, you can see here latest change occur as a minus 0.88% fails down. I think this is very bad fall, my friend, but this time you can see here the price is also very badly fails down. 0.19 US dollar is the latest price you can see here this time. But if you check out, my friend, the last 7 days chart, my friend, then you know to the price is how many fails down and how many decrease, my friend. Oh my goodness, this time you can see here, my friend, the price is 0.27 US dollar, but this time you can see here the current price is 0.18 per. Oh my goodness, very badly fails down, my friend. And you can see here this time the change occurred in the last last 7 days, minus 23.46% fails down. So it's mean, my friend, definitely to after a very bad falls they going up. So it's mean to this time also they take a very high jump after that, my friend. So you can see here they completely fails down, and here if you can see here after a very big jump, my friend, they fails down very badly. You can see here they're moving and this circulation like a snake. In upcoming days they're moving off like a rocket. So this is good news for everyone, and please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month and sell it. I hope they give you very good profit, they make you a millionaire. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel.